Hey there everybody, welcome to RVA BizLaw. My name is Eric Perkins. I am a small business franchising and nonprofit attorney in Richmond, Virginia. And today we are going to talk about creating a high-functioning board of directors for your nonprofit organization. Again, a lot of my practice involves working with smaller to medium-sized volunteer-based nonprofits. And for those organizations, the board of directors is essentially the supreme law or governing body of the organization. It is the board that sets policy for the organization, provides strategic direction and guidance to the staff of the organization, if they are fortunate enough to have staff, and they are ultimately responsible under the law for ensuring that the organization's activities and assets are dedicated exclusively to the furtherance of their charitable mission. So as a nonprofit board of director, excuse me, you have fiduciary duties of care and loyalty to the organization. So if you're involved with a nonprofit and part of your role is helping to recruit or develop a high-functioning board of directors, you want to pay careful attention to how you go about that process, because it's critically important to the activities of the organization and its potential success in the future. Now, over the years, I have developed a very simplified test or philosophy for nonprofit board composition. And the notion is that all of us, as existing or potential nonprofit board members, resemble one of the five fingers on your hand. So I'm going to go through very quickly the Perkins law, five-finger philosophy to nonprofit board composition, and you can see which finger you relate to. But as you move forward, hopefully this will provide a helpful, if not entertaining, framework as you develop your board. So, starting with the most important, this finger. This is the leader of your organization, typically the president or CEO. Hopefully you have at least one of these on your board, if not two. President, vice president. Second most important person to have on your board is this guy. Not necessarily the born leader that this one is, but very reliable, the backbone of your organization. These people can be relied on to show up to meetings, to do what's asked, to roll up their sleeves and get the job done. These people are great to have as a vice president, as a secretary, as a treasurer for your organization. This person can't do his or her job without having at least one of these people working side by side with them. Next on the five-finger philosophy, we have this guy. These people on your board will show momentary flashes of brilliance, maybe on a particular project or program, but they're inconsistent. Maybe they have erratic attendance at board meetings, so you can't really rely on them on a day-to-day basis. But if you're able to put them in the right position at the right time to leverage their particular personality or talents, they can be valuable contributors to your organization. This guy is vestigial. Serves no productive purpose whatsoever. This is someone that's just clearly not engaged with your organization. They don't respond timely, if at all, to emails or phone messages. Again, attendance is poor for board meetings, committee meetings. Don't actively support your fundraisers or other events. They're just taking up space, and you really don't have any need for this person on your board. And I won't offend anybody by holding up the middle finger, but we all know how damaging and destructive one of these people can be to your organization. Argumentative, egotistical, disrespectful. Again, I won't give any examples or make any specific analogies, but if you've been involved in the business world or the nonprofit sector long enough, you've come across someone like this at least once, hopefully not often. And the challenge there is, how do you minimize the damage they can do to your organization? Communication is key, and at some point you might be faced with a situation where you have to navigate a removal from the board for someone who fits that category. So there you have it, the 5-finger philosophy for nonprofit board composition. Check out our website. We have some articles and checklists on that topic that you might find of interest as you move forward. And if we can ever be of assistance, reach out to us. We're easy to find online, ericperkinslaw.com or rvabizlaw.com. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.